We maintain a large-scale, well-organized physical warehouse stocked with a comprehensive selection of genuine and high-quality replacement spare parts for all types of heavy-duty trucks, commercial vehicles, and logistics trucks. Our fully stocked inventory covers nearly every component required for truck maintenance, repair and overhaul, eliminating the trouble of out-of-stock goods and long lead times for global buyers, repair workshops, fleet companies, and spare parts distributors. Our product range includes complete engine parts, transmission and gearbox components, chassis parts, brake system parts, steering system accessories, suspension components, electrical system parts, cooling system parts, and various common wear parts and consumables that are widely used in daily truck operation. All in-stock truck parts are compatible with mainstream heavy truck brands, including Sinotruk Howo, Sany, Shacman, Foton and Dongfeng, and match classic supporting systems such as Weichai engines and fast gearboxes. Our core inventory covers engine assemblies, cylinder heads, piston kits, crankshafts, connecting rods, fuel injectors, oil pumps, water pumps, and all kinds of filters. For transmission systems, we stock complete gearbox assemblies, gears, bearings, shift forks, clutch kits, and transmission repair kits. In addition, we have sufficient stock of brake pads, brake drums, brake valves, steering pumps, steering gears, leaf springs, shock absorbers, axles, wiring harnesses, sensors, and lighting parts. We strictly inspect all stored parts to ensure stable quality, complete specifications, and accurate OEM part numbers, which supports quick model matching and batch procurement. With sufficient spot inventory, we support small batch retail and large batch wholesale, and can arrange fast packaging and global shipping to greatly shorten your procurement cycle. Adhering to the principle of sufficient stock, stable quality, and competitive pricing, we provide one-stop procurement solutions for global truck spare parts buyers, and strive to become your reliable long-term supplier for truck maintenance and accessory supporting services. Our warehouse adopts standardized classification management and real-time inventory monitoring system, which allows us to quickly sort, check, and pack goods within the shortest time. Every batch of spare parts is carefully sorted and stored by model, part number, and vehicle system, avoiding mixed placement and ensuring high picking efficiency. We also provide professional part matching service for customers who lack clear part numbers, helping you accurately find compatible accessories according to vehicle model, engine type, and production year. Whether you need vulnerable spare parts for daily replacement or core mechanical assemblies for major vehicle overhaul, we can fully meet your purchasing demands. We have rich experience in international spare parts export, supporting customized packaging, flexible delivery solutions, and stable supply for long-term cooperative customers, helping global truck businesses reduce procurement costs and improve after sales service efficiency. Furthermore, we consistently update our inventory to keep up with the latest truck models and upgraded component specifications, ensuring our customers can source both old and new replacement parts without limitations. Our professional sales and technical team provides fast response for inquiries, precise part verification, and thoughtful after sales support. All in-stock items are ready for immediate shipment, effectively avoiding production halts and fleet downtime caused by missing accessories. We always prioritize product authenticity, stable quality, and cost-effective prices to build long-term trustworthy cooperation with global truck part wholesalers and repair service providers.